well, I'm sure you can hear the garbage truck coming down the alley here. So the ET1 has run an hour and 20 minutes on this tank of fuel. It should be running out soon, but the garbage truck is creeping through the alley, and it'll be probably parked right here shortly, making a lot of noise. I need to go and do some other stuff as well. So I think next thing, the needle on the ET1, well, the needle on the ET series, all those needles are going to need longer, the pins like I put on the EM series, so I can get much finer adjustment to run them under load. But hopefully that means that this generator project and measuring the power output of these engines will come along soon.